Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign tasks in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically first we need just to find out all our tasks. So there are two ways, either to go where you assign the tasks, for example leads, and from here we will find all the leads or operation we can call them. And I'm going to choose this lead for example. And from here, we can find the activities. So activities, they can include tasks, events, emails, calls, etc. So as you can see here, we already have tasks. We might not have in this one. So let's just delete it as an example. And I'm just going to delete this task. And for this lead, I want to create a task. Here, I'm just going to create it. I'm going to name it call. So we need just to call this person or the client for the lead or whatever. We given it a date. And basically, as you can see, the assigned to is where you can assign the tasks. So if I want to assign anyone, so I can assign it from here. You choose the profile, and from here we need just to click on save. And now we are having this task that has been assigned to this profile for the name of this contact, etc. Also, another way to do it is by just going to the app launcher, go and search for the tasks. And by going to the task, you can choose any task and start assigning people to it. So from here, I can change the assignee to this task. And I'm going to click on X, and you can just choose any profiles that you are having in your organization. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.